What's up, everybody? Live by QQQ, Amazon, Microsoft, Apple, Tesla, NVDA. Tweet. Hold on real quick. All right. How does the, is the mic too quiet or is it just right? I'll turn it up a little bit. There we go. That should be good. Good morning. Good morning. Who we got? Eric, TRD, Morrison, David, Ashley, Master, Greg, Excerpt, I think is how you say it. Ashley again, Robert, Jim, Perkins, JJ, Not, Noel, Jessica, Swampaholics, JB, Scooter Tips, Iron, SOV. Good morning. I have a feeling today's going to be a good day. I literally tweeted saying, I'm going to go live a little later today. CPI's today. It's Tuesday. It's not Wednesday. So got that a little bit confused. But we are here. We are here. We are here, baby. Brad checking in. Let's go. Alex, good morning. Good morning, everybody. All right. So the only thing we had today was the NFIB small index small business index. There we go. So I mean, that was only news. So we're good. One trade yesterday. If you guys are not subscribed to my second channel, definitely make sure you guys do that. I do upload. I cannot talk today. I upload my trade recaps over there. And when I catch some nice trades live, I'll be uploading them on the other YouTube channel as well. So you guys can actually watch me trade. So here is the link to the second YouTube channel right there. Make sure you guys check it out. Anyway, so let's start hopping in right into the technical analysis. Today, we're going to start by looking at ES. I'm still very interested in that ES daily demand if we can get down there. Ended up bouncing, bouncing yesterday pretty hard. Nice daily candle. We do have a nice daily squeeze as well. We're breaking through the 61.8% retracement, so that is no longer valid. Depending on if we push today, the only reject that I'm actually interested in would be this this supply up here, this 30 to 45 minute supply. But other than that, we might. Nope, not one there. Try a 30. Nope. So yeah, that's the only area that I see any form of reject. And then after that, let's actually take this high of 4,500. Okay, so we tapped that 50% retracement right there. 44, 65, 75 would be the only other area I'm interested in. So here and then potentially up here for rejects. We'll see. Get to a 1 hour. Nice 1 hour squeeze. Go to a 4 hour. Nice 4 hour squeeze as well. So I would say if we can get, these are no longer the London lows. Let's see, that would be, is that Sunday overnight? It was 1 in the morning. We'll just say yesterday low on huge. Okay. So that was yesterday's low on futures. If we can get above this pre-market high, London high, whatever you want to call it. Actually, this wasn't even the London session. So just the pre-market high, then we can push up to here. The London low, pre-market low, whatever you want to call it. Then we can look for more downside. Let's see what that 4 hour 21 EMA is. Okay, so we're trying to build a base above it. We're trying to get above it. We'll see how this 4 hour candle closes. But pretty straightforward analysis on the ES. The lives start every morning around 8 to 8:05 a.m. EST. Oh, Amazon Prime Day today. Hold on, I want to see something. I'm getting this new content room, and it's going to be absolute fire. I was waiting to see if there was any deals for the Prime Day. So if there is, we're going to get this bad boy set up real soon. And let me tell you, there's going to be some fire content shot in there. It is Prime Day. Yes, indeed. I don't even know how to check my list on Amazon. I'll figure it out later. Anyways, so that is it on ES. Let's take a look at SPY. Let's see, got really close to that bounce down there yesterday. That 61.8, I was really looking to see if we could test it. Unfortunately, we couldn't. Just bounce slightly short. Let's get rid of this VWAP. Boom. Cleaner chart. Let's take this high to low. 441.31 would be my area of interest. Gun broke above those. Let's see. Yeah, not too interested in that one. And then again, we have that ES supply up here. I personally don't do supply and demand on SPY, but it would be around like 442.30 if you want to watch that. I just prefer doing the supply and demand on the futures instead. So here is our overnight low, London low, whatever you want to call it. Overnight low. Boom. Let's see, try to break to the upside. This is yesterday's low. Yesterday low. Boom. Also, yesterday, if you guys took that Carvana that we talked about, again, I gave this to you for completely free yesterday. We literally came up with this level, and you guys watched me find it. I specifically said, personally, I didn't take it. I didn't like the spreads, but I know some people did. If we look at the watch list from yesterday, I said Carvana, interested in upside if it could build a base above 30, possible reject 30.8, watching for a bounce at the 1 hour 21 EMA, which is right here. Head on over to the screen. What did it touch? The 1 hour 21 EMA to a penny, and then went all the way up to a high of 34.58. So, depending on the price action today, Carvana might actually find its way back onto the list. And we'll see if the spreads can narrow today. Hopefully they do. But I would be interested in a tap of that 1 hour 21 EMA again. So we shall see. Anyways, what are we looking at? SPY. Good old SPY. So yeah, that's everything I'm going to be watching there. 441.31, overnight low, yesterday's low. Cool. All right, let's head on over to QQQ. And again, if you guys could, make sure to smash that like button. It would be greatly appreciated, as always. Let's see, new low. 61.8 right there. Question is, we got really close to that 363.1. We built a base above there. We broke yesterday's high. Nice 1 hour squeeze. I mean, we could reject. Oh yeah, I like that area. We're just too close to this area in the pre-market. I would watch it for a reject, but we're a little too close. Maybe. We'll see if we test it in the pre-market. If we break, then we'll probably test 368.72, which is going to be my higher probability reject for today. And then after that, it does look like we have some supply, so we'll have to watch NQ for that. As far as bounces, nice 1 hour squeeze and 4 hour squeeze. But yeah, I'm not seeing any good bounces until this 363.40 down to 363.1 would be my area. There we go. Let's do yesterday low. Left extension off. Boom. Cool. All right, that's QQQ. Head on over to NQ. Yes, we do have that 45-minute supply up there. All right, so get rid of that 50. We got 61.8 right there, and I'm sure we have a fib cluster. Yes, right at that same exact area. So again, this would be my ideal reject. Get above there, we go here. Get above there, we test supply. Bounced at 61.8 again yesterday on NQ. So again, would watch that for a bounce if we actually traded down there. Pretty strong reaction off the level as well. Cool. That is everything on NQ. Question is, do we break or do we reject? Good morning, everybody. Good morning, good morning. All right, let's run through the watch list today. What are we liking? What are we not liking? And then we'll go from there. SQ. Start off there. I know PayPal had an amazing day yesterday. We're going to look at that. SQ kind of just still in this range. So nothing there. Carvana. Going to go on the list today. Gonna look for a bounce around 32.77 or a break of 35.42. Reject 37.23, gets above there. Nobody knows where it can go after that. So Carvana, throw that on the list. Roblox. Still watching for that daily gap fill. It's looking very nice on the daily time frame for that daily squeeze to fire up. Breakout is still going to be 43. So going to keep an eye on that. Might do a little lotto swing to see if we can get that gap fill. Apple. Let's see. Pivot low, pivot high. Bounce at 61.8 yesterday. Pretty much almost to the penny. Oh, 10 cents short. My bad. Not to the penny, 10 cents short. But honestly, not seeing anything that I'm interested in for Apple. See the test of the daily 21 EMA. Pretty much. It tested that daily 21 EMA, which is what I was ideally looking for to happen this week. So pretty much tested it right there. Again, it hasn't tested it since 524, so that favors that there will be a bounce. Just not seeing any high probability setups on Apple, so I'm gonna skip over that. Let's see. We looked at Roblox, Apple, Meta. Nice little gap up overnight. Honestly, might continue to watch Meta just for strength. I tried to break yesterday, came right back down to the support, couldn't close below it. Whoops. Might just watch for continued strength if the market stays strong. We're gonna have to run our daily poll. Hold on. Start a poll. Did you like the video? Boom. All right. Meta, NVIDIA. Oh, my chat disappeared. Hold on. Hold on, ladies and gentlemen. My chat has disappeared. There we go. Now I can see it. Somebody type something real quick. Palantir. All right, NVIDIA. All right, we good. We good. NVIDIA, honestly, not really seeing much. Just consolidating. Nothing special. All right, so skip over that. Shopify, we're looking for the bounce. That might have happened yesterday. Shop. Nope. So still waiting for that 60 bounce on Shopify. Tesla. Filled the gap pretty much. Not really interested in anything on Tesla, to be honest. I mean, maybe a reject. If the market got weak. See, we tapped that 50. Maybe at like 270, 278 if we got up there. So we can put Tesla on the short list if the market gets weak. The lives are fun. That's what I like to hear. Hopefully you guys find entertainment in here. All right, so we went through Carvana, Meta, Tesla. That was part of the weekly watch list. We can take a look at some other stocks, see if we like anything. AMD, not really. Amazon, because it's Prime Day. Not really. Literally, it just came down, broke below consolidation, reclaimed it. And already smacked the 61.8 in the pre-market, so nothing there from me. Boeing doesn't look too bad, actually. Very nice 4-hour squeeze. Still want to watch this for a swing. It's got a really nice weekly setup. So, nothing on Boeing. Baba looks pretty hot. Very nice 1-hour candle. If it can build a base above 92.06, I'd be interested in an uptrend entry. So we'll put a big old question mark next to Baba. Again, if you guys want this watch list, you got to run up them likes. We got 200 people in here and only 99 likes. Half of you guys have clicked that like button. I'll make sure you run it up. I like this coin 4-hour squeeze. Crypto's been pretty hot. If you want to watch it, look for a base above yesterday's high. I'm personally just not gonna. I'd prefer a pullback. Google is super weak. IWM. Oh, sorry. IWM, we can actually look for a bounce. Depending on if that's the low and high. But it looks good. We talked about the Russell daily squeeze, which looks really good as well. If we pull up RTY, go to the daily time frame. Very nice daily squeeze. Would prefer to see a pullback and a base above that 21 EMA and then get the squeeze to fire up and potentially back up into these highs. But nothing there for the time being. IWM, we looked at Meta. I don't think we looked at Microsoft. Microsoft looks like it's forming a bear flag. So if the market's weak, you can watch that. Netflix has a nice little trend line right there. We looked at NVIDIA. Why you gurring? Grr. PayPal's getting close to that gap fill. Okay. So I'd like to see us actually break and hold and build a base above the gap fill. Because if we zoom out to the daily, 69.68 all the way up into 74.92. So would be very interested in that. Potential pullback bounce at 68.73 would be my area of interest, but PayPal is more than likely gonna go on the list today. More than likely. QQQ, we already did that. Roku, don't care about. We looked at Shop, we looked at Snow. Tesla, we already looked at SQ. Cool, so I like Carvana, Meta, Tesla, Baba, and PayPal. Oh, if it's a penny stock, I don't trade it. I don't look at pennies. No, sir. No, sir, no, sir. Alrighty. It's 8:30. Let's give the market a couple more minutes to decide what it wants to do, and then we can start narrowing this list and we can start getting some levels typed out. What you guys thinking today? Oh, I wanted to look at what was it? Palantir. These small caps have been on fire recently. Palantir actually looks really good. It looks like that daily squeeze wants to fire up. Casinos look good. I think it was Win. Looks pretty good. I think it was on the weekly. I'm pretty sure it was Win. No, I can't remember what casino it was. Let's see. What do we got? We got Win. There's one that LVS. Maybe that was it. Yeah, it was LVS. LVS looks good. Gonna continue to keep an eye on this one. I like that monthly. So keep an eye on the casinos. And then yeah, I looked at Amazon, nothing interesting. Nothing that I like. If anything, I would wait for the Prime Day numbers to come out and then maybe take a trade based off that. But just because it's Prime Day, I'm not going to be trading Amazon just based on that. But also, look at all the squeezes we have today. Look at all these 4-hour and daily squeezes. Like, most of this list has a 4-hour squeeze. So definitely keep an eye on that. I'm going to screenshot that, post it in the chat. Boom. Squeezes everywhere. Oh, I gotta take my medicine. Hold up. Alrighty. So, one more. Honestly, don't remember if I took it already, so hope I didn't just double dose my medicine. Walmart, DraftKings. DraftKings exploded. Nice daily squeeze fired up. Can look for continued momentum if you would like. Or a bounce at 28.33. That doesn't look too bad. But no dice from me. And then didn't like Baba. We can take a look at Walmart. Already looked at AMD. Don't like it. Or we already looked at Walmart. I'm losing it over here. Lucid. Looks good. There you go. Personally not gonna trade this. It's $8. Right, I'm go trade SPY. It's an acid reflux. Hold on. If you guys didn't see, our boy Ghost got admin status. Congrats, brother. All right. All right. Let's start getting this list narrowed down. All right, let's go back to Carvana, Meta, Carvana. Yeah, like I said, 32.75 would be my area that I'd be mainly interested in. So I like Carvana a lot. Meta, maybe, if the market can get some strength. Tesla, if the market's weak, might rotate over to it. Baba doesn't look bad if it can build a base above 92.04. I haven't traded Baba in so long. PayPal's going on the list for sure. For sure. Yeah, entry. Cool. Print. Copy. How many likes we have? We got 240 people here. Only 138 likes. You guys are slacking this morning. You guys need 62 more likes if you want the watch list. PayPal. Watching the daily gap fill closely. I would like to see a break in base above the gap entry or an uptrend. Also watching the 1 hour 21 EMA for a potential bounce. Cool. There's PayPal. I think Carvana, honestly. Let's do it. Carvana it is. Interested in the spreads, Titan. The IV is 209%, but hey, I'm with it. I am with it. Boom, boom, boom. Nope. I do not. Or just rebalance and we should be good. Carvana. Watching for a bounce at the 1 hour 21 EMA. Or a potential reject at 37.23. Most important area on Carvana. Didn't Carvana used to be like $100? Yeah, oh my god, yeah, it was way more than that. Cool. Wow. That reject is way up there. Alright, so yeah, that 37.23 is definitely the most important area on Carvana. If it gets through there, this thing can rock. Gotta be very careful if you're gonna try to short it up there. Very, very careful. Very careful. Attempt. Reject. Up there. That's a lot more room to the upside. Cool. There's Carvana. Spy. Alrighty. Yes, only reject I like 44131. Only bounce I like is way down there. We could watch overnight low as well. Then we have our ES supply. Cool. Spy. Only reject I like is up at 441.31. Yes, doesn't have supply ads. $44. 4472.25 to 4476. So I will be watching that as well. You guys need 30 more likes. I know you guys can do it. 30 more. And also make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel. I do go live every single morning, 8 a.m. Eastern time. Give you guys a completely free watch list for the day. All you guys got to do is join, smash that like button. And I have over 700 free videos on this channel teaching you on how to trade. So if you're not subscribed, definitely missing out. So you're watching that as well for a reject. After that, we have more room to the upside. Bounces TBA. Cool. There's SPY. And then we got QQQ. Which is at a major area. We looked at Nasdaq, right? Yeah. So the Nasdaq and QQQ levels should be pretty close to each other. Let's see. Bounce 363.40. We would need a pretty hard sell. Yeah, so if we can get above this 367.80, that's where we can test at 368.70 and then possibly NQ supply up here. Cool. QQQ. Reject at 368.72. Then NQ supply at 15,333.75 to 15,359.75. Then let's see our bounce on QQQ. Bounce at 363.4 to 363.1. Boom. And that is the watch list. You guys need 22 more. You're getting close. Once you hit the 200, that's when you guys get the watch list. In the meantime, while we're waiting, though, if anybody's got questions, feel free to ask. Feel free to ask. Might also have to watch this fib cluster on NQ because QQQ is already hitting it. NQ is just a little short of it. Again, that's why it's important to do your analysis both on QQQ, NQ, SPY, and ES. Or the ETFs and the futures. Completely different books. Two completely different books. Who speaks tomorrow? Tomorrow's Wednesday. We got CPI. I mean, it depends on what they say. Honestly, it could be good, could be bad. Depends on what they say and then how the market reacts to it. that you don't have to trade every single day. Try not to catch every single move. Journaling is going to be very important. Back testing is going to be very important. And overall, just staying dedicated and constantly educating yourself and showing up every day, even when you don't want to. Trading's hard. You just got to be determined and can't let those bad days discourage you and make you quit. I started trading with 270, but I mean, I suggest starting with more. But you always only want to put in your account what you're willing to lose. That way, it eliminates a lot of the emotion. Because if you say you put $5,000 into your account and you need that $5,000 for, you know, bills, groceries, mortgage, rent, whatever, you know, you're going to trade with emotions. But if you could care less about that 5,000 and you end up losing some of the money, then it's a lot of that emotion's not going to be there. So is CRM moving? Somebody said it's moving. Oh, Jesus. Well, there she go. That's a daily squeeze for you. Right there. Wow. Did was there I mean, there had to have been news on CRM. What was it? Does anybody know the CRM news? I don't see it. I think I might have found it. Hold on. Was it their price target was raised to 230? Or because they're raising their listing price? I think that's it. Huh, interesting. All right. All right. Let me give you guys this watch list. So, as always, I'm not a certified financial advisor. Everything talked about in this live stream is based on my opinion and my opinion only. Option trading is very risky, where you can lose more than your initial investment if you are not careful. So, as always, do your own due diligence, use your own proper risk management, and I am not responsible for any lost funds. So, PayPal, Carvana, SPY, QQQ. Boom. Watching today. Yeah, I just saw that on Twitter. That somebody bought like 3 mil of CRM options. Is it holding? Yeah, like I said, I really like that PayPal for the gap fill. Might not do it today, but would be interested to see if we can actually break and like build a base above this level. Maybe up at like 70, like say we get a nice little uptrend on the 5-minute and then we take a fib and draw a pivot low, pivot high. So we'll see. We shall see. But that is going to wrap it up today, ladies and gentlemen. Again, make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel. I do go live every single morning. Also, make sure to check out my 450-page book on Amazon, The New Age of Technical Analysis. Might be on a discount for Prime Day. I have no idea. Let's see. Let's see if they got a Prime Day deal. $5 off. Ooh. So make sure you guys check it out on Amazon, the new Age of Technical Analysis, using this link right here. Learn more about my overall strategy and get prepared for book number 2. So, but yeah, make sure you guys are subscribed. Make sure to tune in every single morning, 8 a.m. Eastern time. I have a fire video for you guys later as well. That's going to be dropping around like 6 or 7. So definitely make sure to check it out. And yeah, if you're in Team Bull, I'll talk to you guys in like 10-15 minutes. Other than that, I'll talk to you guys in the morning. Everybody take it easy.